See, there was a statement by the Paul Appleby. Policy is essence of public administration. Policy is essence of public administration. Clear? Yeah, there was also a question. Public administration cannot exist in policy vacuum. Pubed cannot exist in policy vacuum. Clear? So, policy is an essence of public administration, means public administration affecting the policy and policy is affecting the public administration, means public administration cannot exist in the policy vacuum. Both are necessary and both are affecting each other, means public administration is affecting the policy. Clear? And policy is also affecting the public administration. They affect each other. Clear? See how the policy is affecting the public administration. See the example of LPG reform, new economic policy. LPG reform or the new economic policy. It results in the decentralization, isn't it? 73rd, 74th constitutional amendment. Administration change accordingly. It results in the more transparency. It results in the more accountability in the administration. So LPG reform results in more transparency, more accountability, decentralization. Clear? Grievance redressal mechanism. So public policy affect the public administration, and at the same time public administration is also affecting the policy implementation, because it is the public administration, it is the administrator who are formulating the policy. For example, in case of India, the highest policy making body is cabinet, but cabinet is assisted by the executives. Secretaries are assisting the cabinet in formulation of the policy. It is the public administration who is working for the implementation of the policy, isn't it? So public administration cannot exist in the policy vacuum. It is inherent in the policy. Clear? And it is essence of public administration. And last paradigm of public administration is also public policy. So public policy is a new paradigm in the public administration. So you can see the importance of paradigm. Now come to the definition of the public policy. What is public policy? What is public policy? So write down policies of the government. Policies of the government which impact people at large scale. Policies of the government which impact people at large scale. Which impact people at large scale. These are known as the public policy. Clear? And in India, there is elected government who is responsible for the public policy making. Clear? It means whatever government choose to do or not to do is the public policy. Whatever government choose to do or not to do choose to do or not to do, that is the public policy. Clear? Is that clear? For example, see, to do is clear to all. Ki whatever is government doing, that is public policy. If government is not doing anything, that is also a public policy. For example, many times in UNSC, UN Security Council, Government of India abstain from voting, isn't it? They abstain from voting, na? Like in recent case of Russia-Ukraine conflict, Government of India abstain from voting against Russia. Even they didn't vote. So sometimes not doing a thing is also a policy. Is that clear? See, policy is not only a decision, it is more than the decision. For example, a question was also asked, ki all the decision making are not public policy, but all public policy are decision making. There was also a question asked by the UPSC and UPPSC, ki all the decision making are not public policy, but all the public policy are decision making. Remember, I explained this while I was teaching about the Herbert Simon